Welcome to Zill. In this video, we are going to see about identify operator in Python. What is an identity operator in Python? Identity operator is used to compare the memory location of two objects. It's used to compare the memory memory locations. Used to compare the two memory locations of two objects. In Python, everything is like objects, variable. If you call, sometimes we call as a variable. Variable is nothing but an objects. Every variable is called as an object in Python. This all comes under objects only. So used to compare a memory location of a two objects. For your convenient, I am writing as a variable also. Variable are objects. So it is used to compare the memory location. So it's an operator means we should have some keywords. Operators have some. Here we have is and is not. Is and is not are the two operators. Is and is not are the two operators. What they are going to be do? What they are going to be do? Is it returns true. It returns true if if two if two variables or objects points to the same memory location. Same memory location. Is not it is nothing but reverse of that somewhat. Yeah, it is also returns true if two variables or objects points sorry objects points actually different objects do not point points to the same memory location. Does not points to the same memory location. If that points to a different location, then it will gives a true. It points to the same location, it gives false. Like that it is going to be work. We'll see one small example. Before that, I want to show that one small scenario also. Suppose if you declare a variable like in Python, like a equals to, if you given as a 10, if you given as a equals to 10, what our Python memory was doing for, it creates, before it creates, it checks that any value with the 10 is there or not. The value with the 10, the content with the 10, it is there or not, is going to search. As per the memory, my program starts now only the memory. There's an empty memory I have. Now I'm going to be create a equals to 10. Okay, now some memory is allocated. With 10 and it going to be point for a, going to be point for a, because a, when we call a variable or object, it goes to print 10. But here some address I am writing like the temporary address. I am assuming address like 1010 address in the memory in the RAM is going to be given. So next after this same, I am going with another one. I want to go with another one. I am going with b equals to 10. I have taken another object, another variable, b equals to 10. So now what is going to happen? For b, the 10 is a value, the content, the 10. The 10 is already created. The 10 already it has been created. The content already 10 is there in the memory. Simply our Python memory will use that memory. Simply it uses that Python memory. This is a concept. Is a concept memory. It's a big concept. We'll discuss later on that one. A and B now points to the same memory address because they have same value. It goes to be a same memory address. Let me check they are pointing to the same address or not in just a small program. Small. Okay. Same program like A equals to 10 I am taking, like B equals to 10. Both I am taking A equals 10 and B equals 10. Now I have to show that both will print A, B same values only, but I need to show the memory address. To show memory address in Python, to show a memory address in Python, we have one function called id. It's one of the powerful function. We call it id. What this id is going to be do? What is the purpose? This id returns a unique identifier of an object, nothing but a integer number. A integer, the memory location will say is an integer memory location. It gives to print the memory location that I am going to be print like id of a. Simple, I am giving id of a and I am compiling this one. We'll see the output. Yeah, it is given one memory address. Copy it. Yeah, for a it is given like a address. And as per my example, we should also point to the same memory address. That also we'll see. Place of a, I'm going to write a b. Save this example and I'm compiling this program. See, both are pointing to the same address. Both are pointing to the same address. This nothing but our id is a function. It returns the unique identification of an object. Nothing but a corresponding of the object memory location it is going to be given. So object memory location it is going to be given. Okay. Now coming to whether it's pointing to the same address or not, we can identify by seeing this. For some situations we need like true or false conditions, whether the pointing to in the checking conditions we'll use. So I am going to write like print a is b. I am writing like a is b. A is b. So now our is operator will check memories that point in the same memory or not. So save this and you see the output. See, it is going to be true. It is going to give a true value. True. Suppose print a is not b. A is not b. Both are pointing to same. Both are pointing to now same. So it is going to give us a false. It is going to give us a false. It is going to give a false. Suppose if I take one more one like C or like a name equals to I want to take as Devi. Name I am taking like a Devi. Now I want to check. I want to apply print A is the name. A is name. Now if you see both memories are different. This A is different now. This one is also different. Now you can compile run and program and you can see it's going to give a false. It's going to give a false. Before that I want to print that ID. Yes, you can cross check that ID. For differentiate I will write this is the address of A address. This is like B address. This is name address. This is like name address. Now run this example. Yeah. Yeah, see, name address is different from that address, it is going to give false. So now I have to write print a is not name. A is not name. Now it is going to be a true. Now it is going to be a true. See, assumption is correct. Yeah, it is going to be a true. This is about our is and is not operator. Is and is not operator. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video.